Just got the second vanture Dashcam. I'm gonna install it in my second car. Better decision than using the Lexington Dashcam. I'm having a lot less problems with this guy. So I decided to make the switch to the second vanture Dashcam because the Lexington Dashcam is having the same problem that I originally had, but it's not as bad. Like the other Dashcam, it was like every third clip was unopenable, but this one, it's once in a while I have a clip that's like unable to be opened. So, but I decided before the problem gets worse, I'll just change it now.
Half a mile, keep left. Follow signs for I-95 South Miami.
Asking him if he wants to go biking today.
Take a slight right turn, then take a slight right turn onto Northeast Miami
Сука,
Gardens
блядь.
Drive.
Уроды, блядь.
Я не видел, ты уже второй сказала, когда проехал.
Хорошо. Это тут дейкер. Я хочу узнать за этот дейкер.
А что Memorial ты хотела?
No, Memorial is still on the waiting list. Probably he will not go to Memorial.
Reckless driving все равно делать. Я остановился с первого, спасибо. Вот это то же самое цена, может на Hybrid взять, и она идет сразу с этой точки там.
Может Lexus взять, наверное?
Ну 5000, это 5000.
Блядь, да ёб твою мать. Ну поверни налево, идиот, блядь.